quickly and effectively. This process not only saves time but also reduces labor and increases production efficiency. Cashews, one of the most popular and attractive snack nuts in the world. On the line, you will see cashews processed meticulously and professionally. Fresh cashews are separated from the fruit and then cleaned and dried to remove moisture. Next, they are processed with specialized equipment to remove the hard outer shell, saving the seeds inside. Looking at the production process, you will see that every step is done with care and thoroughness, from raw material selection to processing and packaging. This will definitely yield the juicy and fragrant cashews you love every time you enjoy them. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent quality. It took him just over 2 seconds to finish this. This man has mastered his own work. Buckets is one of the ground events which the whole team has to work together to be successful. When artists show off their cooking skills. A skilled farmer growing vegetables at an impressive speed.
With advanced sorting technology, this machine not only helps increase productivity but also ensures the quality and uniformity of tomatoes. The machine's rapid sorting speed and high precision ensures that each tomato is handled with the same level of care and precision. Designed with advanced technology, this machine not only ensures accuracy and uniformity in the packaging process, but also optimizes production efficiency. With bag packaging machines, product packaging becomes quick, effective, and ensures quality. Pear is a symbol of sophistication and sweetness in the fruit world. With their velvety appearance and vibrant colors, pears are not only a source of inspiration for every meal, but also a symbol of freshness and appeal. The sweet and cool taste of pears not only delights every mouth, but also captivates every soul. With its smooth appearance, vibrant green, color and refreshing sweet taste. Kiwi is not only a delicious fruit, but also a great source of nutrition. Not only delicious when eaten raw, kiwi is also suitable for many different types of dishes, from desserts to salads and smoothies. They will please your taste buds.